Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video I'll show you how to install and run Google TV on your Windows PC using Android Studio. Let's get started. First, open your browser and download Android Studio from the official Android developers website. Click on the Download Android Studio. Click on the Download Android Studio Quail 1 link. Then scroll all the way down and check the box. Now wait till the installer finishes downloading and open the folder. Double-click to open the setup and click on Run to start the installation. Go ahead and click on Next till you get to install. Click on Next and Next again. Select Accept and click on Next. Click on Finish. Go to More Actions and select Virtual Device Manager. Click on the plus button and click on Allow. Click on the plus button. As you can see, we have a lot of devices here. Select TV. Select any TV you want here. Select Google TV Intel and wait till it starts downloading. Click on Finish when it's done. Select the television and click on Play. Wait till the Google interface loads. Click on the three dots to open the remote control. Use the remote control and navigate to the Setup Google TV. Here you can add your Gmail account. So I'm going to install Spotify as an example for you. Once the installation is done, I'll click on Open to start Spotify. Done. If you have an account with Spotify, you can just sign in or create an account if you don't have one. You can click on the Home button to go home and download another app you want. Let's try downloading Apple TV. That's how you install Google TV on a Windows PC using Android Studio. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to Tech Install and check out my other software installation guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.